In this lesson, we are to learn about phrase tags, HTML phrase tags, HTML phrase tags. I'm still your friend Ahebwa Martin here at PAMOPS Foundation Elite Schools, and we are making computing easier. So you can contact me via this number, and also you can access me via this email address. So let's continue. Let us continue. So they are saying that the phrase tags have been discoligned for specific purposes, though they are displayed in a similar way as other basic tags like B. We said that B stands for bolding and I stands for italics, then preformatted text, and then this one we said that TT stands for mono stands for mono something text. Let me look for it. We are going to find it below there, TT, mono something, but we are going to find it there. And TT, then you have seen in previous chapter, we have seen these ones in previous videos. So this chapter will take you, in this video, we will take you through all the important phrases tags. So let's start seeing them one by one. So we have emphasized, we have emphasized text. So what is emphasized text? What is emphasized text? Anything that appears within EM element is displayed as emphasized text, as how you are seeing it here. So let us see an example. We had already seen them. We can easily do work with them and very fast. So now let's say that I highlight this, I copy this. We had already done these ones in previous video. So let's continue. Let me get this, copy it, and I draw in the text editor. So if I save changes, we want to see the importance of this EM, emphasized typeface. So we can save file, save as EM em.html. So I save. So now I've saved it in our desktop and in a folder called the website. So now emphasize text. So we want to see what happens if you apply this EM into your text document. So now let's go, and in the website folder here, I look for EM file. So if I double click on EM file, I think you can see what happens. Emphasize text. It is same as italicized, but now this one is different because we are emphasizing this text. So let's continue. Let us continue here. So we are having another one. So I think you have seen it. It's the same as this. Marked text. So we are saying that anything that appears within anything that appears within mark. So as how you're seeing it here, and this mark element is displayed as marked with yellow ink. So this mark and this one. So we can say examples include we can have this example, copy it. We want to see the importance of mark. So I do this and I paste there the code to work. I save changes. So if I save changes, I told you to save. I hope that by now we all know how to save. Let us see the importance of mark, this mark tag. So now let me go to the browser here and I refresh. So now you see marked. Now it means that it has been given a background color yellow, or it has been marked. In case, let's say that many people normally do this in their books, in case they want to again they look for those words with meanings, with big meanings, and they mark them with some text highlighting pens. So even here, this is how we do mark on web pages in websites. So now let me for example remove it here. Let me remove it. I copy it, and let's say that I want now to mark this one. Let's say that I want to mark this one. I remove it from here, and I also cut it from here. Let's say that this is the word that I want to mark. So then I will come back to my browser after saving and I refresh. Now the word is the one that is marked. So I think you have got it. So let's continue. So now this is it with yellow. So let's continue. So this will produce the following result. So the following word has been marked with yellow. So I think you have seen it. It's marked with yellow. So let's continue. we have what we call a strong text, a strong text, a strong text. So anything that appears within strong, strong opening tag and strong closing tag element is displayed as important text. So this is it. So let us see the strong. So let us see the strong. I just copy this. You just pause the video and then type the code. So I copy it. I come to my text editor here. Text editor, I told you in the previous videos that text editor is an application that is used to write website codes. So that is used to create the website pages. So now I paste the copied code and I save. So we want to see the importance of this word strong. What is the importance of this word strong? So we are having this word strong here. So let's go to the web browser and refresh. So if I refresh here like this, now the following word uses a strong typeface. I think you can see it here. It is like boarding. So it is another format of boarding. So, but this one we are emphasizing, we are saying that it should be boarded. So now let's continue. It should be strong. This one, this is strong. It is not boarding, but strong. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let us continue to the next. So as how you're seeing it here, the strong, it is here. Then we are having text abbreviation. Text abbreviation. You can abbreviate a text by putting it inside opening ABBR tag and closing tag, that is ABBR represent. The title attribute must contain this full description and nothing else. So let's continue. Let us continue here. So we are having it here. So let me copy this paragraph. I copy it. Then I bring it here. I bring it here, I replace it with this paragraph. Just we want to see the importance or the impact of ABBR. So I think you can see it here. My best friend name is abbreviated title as this one, but now abbreviated, what will display in the browser is this. But once you touch, you hover around it, it will be displayed, it will be displaying the full name. So I save it. Now let's see the importance of this ABBR. So let's go to the web browser and refresh. So after refreshing, now you see this one, it is saying Abby. But now if you put there the link, the cursor, this cursor, it will display its name as how you are seeing it. So now let's say that I changed it. I change it, for example, let's say I say school. I type there school, and then I come here and I abbreviate it as SCH. So now if I save changes here, I save changes and I go back on my web page and I refresh. So now I get school, but now if I press there my cursor, it will be telling me the abbreviated, the meaning of the abbreviated word. So now that is school. So let us continue. Let us continue. We are having what we call acronym elements. Acronym element. So what is an acronym element? So the acronym element allows you to indicate that the text between acronym and the closing acronym tags is an acronym. So at present, the major browsers do not change the appearance of the content of the acronym element. So let us see it. Let us see the acronym element. So I will highlight this one, I copy it, and I bring it back to my web browser, to my text editor. I told you, you just click here and type there notepad, and the text editor will just display itself, and I press new. I paste there my work, my content, then I save it this on desktop in the folder called website, and I'm going to call this one acronym .html and I save. So after saving this, I can now go to my folder that is website and look for acronym and I open it. So after opening it, you see this chapter covers markup text in XHTML, because they have told us that at present the major browsers do not change the appearance of the content of the acronym element. So it stays the way it is. So though we have applied the acronym, so I think you can see it. So let's say that you have removed it and you want to see the difference. what the change is in case you remove it. So I have removed it from here and also here. So I save changes and I go back to my web browser. So if I refresh here, you see there is no any change. So if I bring it back, and I save and I go to my web browser and I refresh, you see, so there is almost no change. Thank you for watching.